Hey guys, it's Austin with Forward Controls, and today we're going to be talking about our new EMR-A V2. So let's get into it. So as I pull this sling off, we're going to talk about what EMR-A means, right? EMR-A stands for Enhanced Magazine Release - Ambidextrous, right? So if you're a left-handed shooter, you have undoubtedly run into the issue of trying to release a magazine on an AR-15. Now, even though I am left-handed, I do not shoot left-handed. I shoot right-handed. All the people I talk to who are very avid shooters use EMR, right? So EMR-A, the original version, was great because it put your, if you're left-handed shooter, it put your magazine release exact same place it normally is for right-handed shooters, right? The standard traditional magazine release. It gave you some enhancements as well, but we did a redesign of it that made it much more low profile. So the pivoting mechanism is no longer exposed to the elements. It's much more low profile. It's much more reduced. And it's just overall a little bit of an updated, sleeker design. And the benefit of the paddle itself is in a little bit of the geometry that we did for it. So what do I mean by that? So it is available in serrated or dimpled. This happens to be a serrated version. And what it does is that paddle, the pad itself, has mostly a tiny little V in it to help center your finger. And then also that V, that valley in it, does not extend all the way back. There's actually a raised lip right here at the very end, towards your body. And the reason for that is going to center your finger on the pad correctly, and it also provides traction so that way you don't slip off of it rearward, right? So what this does, it not only is much easier for left-handed shooters to actually, eject a magazine, it actually positions your finger in the most optimal way to actually push that release, right? So somewhat similar to our magazine release that we have for just the standard right-handed shooter. It has some optimizations that come along with it. If you're familiar with this product, undoubtedly it has most of its benefits for left-handed shooters. You may still want this as an option, just as a secondary way to release your magazine, because that mechanism is independent from your traditional magazine release, in the sense that when I do this, it just lifts that lever. The shaft isn't involved at all. The shaft isn't involved at all. I should not have done that. The shaft that actually goes through the lower receiver is not involved at all in that mechanism, right? So a little bit of redundancy. If I needed to, I could come up with my right hand, I could hit it, and I could strip the magazine out that way if I wanted to as well. So get a little bit of redundancy there. Again, it's mostly for left-handed shooters, but there's certainly some major benefits for you if you are right-handed and you want that ability as well. So pretty quick video, just going over those little updates of EMR-A. I hope that answered any questions you guys have. If you have any other questions, leave a comment or call into the shop. Roger, Kunji, one of the guys will take care of you. But thank you so much and have a good day.